Thank you so much for being here. Okay, so next up, we're gonna slow things down for a minute and offer you something that's a very serious reliever product. Now, we've all heard about the benefits of inverting as a form of decompression. Well, we have a portable, one-of-a-kind back stretcher invented by Roger Teeter, the man behind the Teeter inversion table. Now, this is an FDA-cleared product. That's right. The Food and Drug Administration, an FDA-cleared medical device for back pain, for sciatica, for spinal curvature, for herniated discs and bulging discs and muscle spasms. For anybody that relies on inverting, this is a portable solution. For anybody who travels and feels like their back is screaming at them on the plane, in the car, this is a Class 1 medical device that's totally portable. It's basically your own user-controlled traction device, and you get it home for $10 on your credit card. Now, Riley Teeter's joining us. She's Roger's daughter. And if you own this product, we would love to hear from you. It's hard for us to demonstrate just how effective it is here, but it literally, it's that stretch you've always wanted. It's that pull back from gravity that you know your body needs in a portable model that costs next to nothing.
I know, it's hard to believe it does all of that. I mean, that list of FDA claims is huge. There's 10 different items, but yet this one little product is able to target each and every one of those because it provides decompression. And what that means is it's real simple. We're stretching out and elongating the spine. So what happens when you do that? Your discs, the pressure's off them. They rehydrate, they rejuvenate. So if you've got a blown out disc, one of those herniated discs, this is really helping to target that specific spot. If you have stressed out muscles, this is elongating, helping. If you have a misalignment, so many of us get that, like just pick up something wrong during the day.
Oh yeah, the little tweak.